Welcome, students, to an exciting lesson on the nature of data and levels of measurement. Today, we'll embark on a journey to understand the different types of data and how we measure them. So let's dive in. To begin, let's explore the two main types of data: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative data refers to numerical measurements or quantities that can be counted or measured. It deals with quantities and numerical values. Let's look at an examples. For instance, if we measure the heights of students in our class, we would have quantitative data. Each measurement can be expressed in numbers. On the other hand, qualitative data describes qualities or characteristics that cannot be measured numerically. It deals with attributes and descriptions. Let's see an example. If we collect information about the eye colors of students in our class, we would have qualitative data. Eye colors cannot be quantified but can be described using words. Now, let's dig deeper into quantitative data and explore its two types: discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data consists on separate, distinct values that are typically whole numbers. Let's consider an example. If we count the number of siblings each student has, we would have discrete data. The values are distinct and cannot be divided into smaller units. On the other hand, continuous data can take any value within a certain range. It is often measured on a scale. Let's see an example. If we measure the temperature throughout a day, we would have continuous data. The values can be any number within a specific range and can even include decimals. Finally, we delve into the four levels of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. And let us discover their real life application. Let's get started. The four levels of measurement provide us with a framework for understanding the properties and application of different types of data. The first level is nominal. It involves categorizing data into distinct groups or categories. Let's consider some real life examples. Clothing size, such as small, medium, and large, are nominal level of measurement. We categorize individuals into specific groups based on their clothing size. Moving on, we have the ordinal level of measurement. It allows us to rank or order data based on a certain characteristics. Here are a few examples. The ranking of students in a race, where we have first, second, and third places, represents ordinal data. The order of the rankings is important, but the differences between ranks may not be equal. Next, we have the interval level of measurement. It involves data that is measured on a scale with equal intervals. Let's explore some examples. Temperature measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit is an example of interval data. The intervals between each temperature point are equal, but zero does not represent the absence of temperature. Finally, we have the ratio level of measurement, which is the most precise level. It possesses all the properties of the previous levels but includes a true zero point. Here are some examples. Weight measured in kilograms or pounds is an example of ratio data. It has equal intervals, a meaningful zero point representing no weight, and allows for comparison and ratios between values. And now let's recap what we've learned about the nature of data and the four levels of measurement. Data comes in different forms, and understanding its nature is crucial in statistical analysis. We discussed two main types of data: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative data involves numerical measurement or quantities that can be counted or measured. On the other hand, qualitative data describes qualities or characteristics that cannot be measured numerically. There are two types of quantitative data: discrete and continuous. Discrete data consists of separate, distinct values that are typically whole numbers. On the other hand, continuous data can take any value within a certain range. Moving on, we explored the four levels of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Nominal level of measurement involves categorizing data into distinct groups or categories. Hair color is an example of nominal data. Also, the ordinal level of measurement allows us to rank or order data based on the certain characteristic. An example is the ranking of students in a race. Interval data is measured on a scale with equal intervals, such as temperature measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Finally, the ratio level of measurement is the most precise level. It includes a true 0 points and allows for comparisons and ratios between values. An example would be weight measured in kilograms or pounds. Now, understanding the nature of data and the levels of measurement empowers us to analyze and interpret information more effectively. Congratulations, you've successfully grasped the concepts of quantitative and qualitative data, types of quantitative data, and the four levels of measurement.